I am Michael, son of Harold.
It's true.
My name is Michael Treebwasser. I'm the floor manager at Politics and Prose. Today I got two things for you. The first one from Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring by J.R.R. Tolkien. I'm going to be reading the poem, All That Is Gold Does Not Glitter. I am a lifelong fantasy nerd. I mean, just everything, magic, sci-fi, anything you can think of.
You shall not pass! You shall not pass!
And just that one poem, I don't know, it appears a couple of times in Lord of the Rings, and I just liked it, beginning to end. It just kind of speaks to what's going to happen, what can happen, what has happened in the past, and I just always, from the moment I heard it, I was like, that is really cool. Ooh, that's a hard one. If I had to pick one, I guess I would go with Aragorn.
Nice.
Because I've always, like, you know, I feel like there's a split, right, a lot of times between whether you're like a magic user or if you're like a sword fighter and stuff. So I've always kind of tended towards the swords and battles and that sort of thing. That's just what I really liked. And I don't know, just like his story and the leadership that, you know, he eventually becomes king. Spoiler alert. Yeah, I always liked his story the most, I guess.
That's kind of what the poem's about.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like his journey, where he's coming from, speaking to a lot of potential that he has if he chooses to kind of seize on it. And just if you hang in there, there's a lot of great things that could happen. All that is gold does not glitter. Not all those who wander are lost. The old that is strong does not wither. Deep roots are not reached by the frost. From the ashes of fire shall be woken. A light from the shadows shall spring. Renewed shall be blade that was broken. The crownless again shall be king. My attempt at doing it in Elvish, we're gonna give it a go and see how it works. All right. Illa I lare la mirla la kini yar ranyar ulema vanwe umir yara ya tulka na hestala tumne talma ratan niex umir yulalo nare nauva hoivaina kaye lumion tuva seru nauva hianda ya rasina ira ata aran nauva.
That was beautiful, man.
Thank you.